Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic is inheritance. What is inheritance? Already we know that topic inheritance in first unit. In Java, inheritance is a mechanism where a new class, that is subclass or child class, inherits the properties and the behaviors of an existing class. The simply we are telling the new class is derived from old one. That is inheritance. Okay. Okay, in Java, inheritance is the process where a subclass acquires the properties and behaviors of a superclass. We implement using the keyword. What is that keyword? Extend keyword. The primary goal that here is a very useful concept, code reusability. What is that concept? Code reusability. Inheritance, the hyphen reusability. That is a main thing. Already we know the topic. So it allows us to establish a clear parent-child relationship between our software component, making our system much easier to manage and scale. This is very important topic. The existing class is called as the parent class, otherwise superclass or base class. The derived class is called as a child class or subclass. Is it? Next, we are going to see the topic types of inheritance. What is the types of inheritance? There is not just one way to structure this relationship. It depending on the complexity of our system, you might use different types of inheritance. What are the types? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance. That is a hybrid inheritance. Is it? Okay. Single inheritance and multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. There are different concept we are using as a inheritance. So single inheritance. Single inheritance, the most straightforward form is single inheritance. It is also known as a simple inheritance. In this model, a subclass is derived from exactly one superclass. Exactly only one superclass. It simply inherits the behaviors and properties of a single parent. A class example where the vehicle is a base class. Car is a superclass. Is it? Car is a subclass. Yes, it is a car is a subclass. So vehicle is a base class. Okay, this all for example we are taking A is a base class, B is a derived class. So B inherit A. Okay. Next we have multi-level inheritance. Think of this as a chain of command. What's that? Chain of command. Here a derived class inherits from a base class, but that same derived class then act as a base class for another class. For example, a child class inherits from a father class, which is turn inherited from a hard father class. Each level down the chain gains the cumulative properties of the levels about it. Okay, what's that? Father class is acted as a derived class and a base class. Derived class for grandfather, base class for child. Okay,